What is up, guys? Dan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a LinkedIn post. So first, you need to head over to your browser search bar, and then you need to search for linkedin.com. After that, you need to log in or sign up with your LinkedIn account. And when you are welcome to the homepage of LinkedIn, on the right side, you need to click on your profile and click on view profile. After clicking on view profile, you need to scroll until you find the activity section, and from here you need to select the post that you want to embed. And after selecting the post, on the right side you will see three dots. Click on that, and then you will see the option of embed this post here in the three dots section. Click on this, and then in a window pop-up, HTML code will appear, wherein you just simply need to click on copy code, and then you can paste it wherever you want to embed your LinkedIn post. So this is how you can embed a LinkedIn post. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.